Hi guys, in this step-by-step video, I'm going to be showing you how you can do test order on Shopify. Now this is very quick and easy. All you need to do, guys, you want to just log in into your Shopify store, and then you want to click here on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on payments. Now I'm going to be showing you guys two ways on how you can do test order. Now the first way is going to work for a lot of people. I would say like 95%. Now for the first percent, probably they have enabled Shopify payments, which I'm about to show you exactly how you can test Shopify payments. Okay, now what you guys need to do is as you can see here where it says payments, you want to click here where it says choose provider, and you want to search for testing. Okay, as you can see, just search for testing, and you want to enable this gateway. As you can see here, click on it, and as you can see here, guys, it says Bogus gateway is meant for testing. Shopify will not charge you transaction fee or orders paid with this gateway. You can also you can use the following codes in place of the credit card when checking out. Now I'm gonna explain how this works in a few seconds. Okay, so click on activate. Okay, as you can see, it says here gateway activated. Bogus gateway activated. I hope I pronounced this correctly. Now what you guys need to do now is you want to go to the product page. Okay, click on Shopify store, and you want to find the product any product on your Shopify store. Okay, after that you want to click on add to cart. All right, now you want to click on view cart. Okay, you want to click on view cart after you add this to cart, and then click on checkout. Now if it allows you to check out, because it doesn't allow me because I didn't add payment provider, because this Shopify store is just for testing. Now what you guys need to do in the next page here, as you can see, it says here checkout isn't available, like I said, because I didn't add the payment provider. Now for you will be able to enter their credit card information. Now here is the information you need to enter there. As you can see here, the name of the card. You don't have to enter, by the way, your real information. All these information are provided by Shopify. As you can see, name on the card, the credit card, MasterCard or Visa card. You want to enter this Bogus gateway and credit card number. As you can see, enter each of these in turn to simulate a different types of transaction. Enter one to simulate a successful transaction, or enter two to simulate a failed transaction. As you can see here, the CVV, you can enter any three numbers. Okay, like you can like add 100 or whatever. The expiration date, you want to add any date in the future. Okay, for example 12/25. Okay, that's it. And then after that, after you are done, you want to then click on buy, complete checkout, and see if there is any problem with your payment providers or anything like that. Okay, if it's a successful transaction, that means everything is good. So just need to remove it from your own Shopify store. Just remove testing from your Shopify store. After you are done, you want to click on settings, and you want to click here where it says payments, and then you want to click here where it says manage, and scroll down. Like I said, after you are done, you want to click on settings to remove the testing, the order testing, and then you want to click on you want to click on here where it says payments, and here you want to click manage in the top, and you want to remove test for testing, as you can Bogus for testing, Bogus for testing. Click on deactivate, and then click again on deactivate, and that's it. Okay, so if you have Shopify payments, you want to click on payments, and here you will find like a manage in the top right. Click on it here, click on manage, and scroll at the very bottom. You will see there's something like test order or testing for testing. Click on it, and you want to go back and do the exact same steps. You want to go to your Shopify and then open any product and see if everything is working. Now after you are finished, like I said, you will have to remove it. Just go back to the exact same settings, scroll down, and then click on remove for like test order. That's it. Okay, hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. If you need any help, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys next video.